Let me tell you a simple truth. Exercising too much restraint towards a particular incident without taking a necessary action towards it is a complete waste of time and energy. It's like a stone placed in fire. The fire keeps on burning, but nothing happens to the stone. There are so many people scattered across the global world who waste their time to pray to the Lord to give them a maximum strength to be able to endure whatever that you're going through. But there's one significant thing about Samson that I love so much. And I grew to learn from that particular lifestyle of Samson. And this is it. When he later showed where his secret was, and then afterwards, when he was being captured, went into captivity for some time, at a point, life became unbearable to him. So he went on his knees where he began praying. And then he asked the Lord to give him strength for him to be able to prevail over his enemies. Let me tell you the truth. This is the sad moment to cut everything short. Once you don't take a necessary step towards whatever negative feeling that you are experiencing in life, it will keep on repeating itself and nothing will happen to that thing that is causing you harm. So this is the rightful moment to come out and then take a necessary action towards it, either legal, emotional, physical, or spiritual. Stand up and roar like a lion, for the roaring of a lion puts fear in his enemies. Once you start taking action against certain situations in life, this is where you have won 70% of what you're going through. Be a blessing.